Welcome to day number 7 in Goa. It's around 12:30 right now and we're all set to head to the beach. कल हम बहुत टाइमली सो गए थे. We did not do a lot of party or anything because हम इतने दिन से कर ही रहे थे. So we decided to come back home and call it a night early. So we were in bed by 2:30 and we got some really long dew sleep. बहुत अच्छे से सोए. अभी इतनी लेट उठे हैं. And now since अब 2 दिन बचे हैं गोवा में, so all we want to do is just be at the beach, just relax, do nothing, not go to any place for lunch, dinner, whatever. So that's the plan. बाकी सब लोग अभी विला में ही हैं, सब लोग लेट उठे, ये सब लोग काफ़ी लेट आए हैं वापस कल. So Pallavi and I are headed to Ashwim because we feel that's the cleanest beach and the most accessible beach to go into the water. And वहाँ पे दो बहुत अच्छी जगह हैं. One is Palm Grove and one is Anahata. So let's go and start the day. चाबी तो अंदर ही. पल्लवी चाबी भूल गया. You drove last night. गोवा में सबसे बढ़िया चीज़ है बाहर निकलो सुबह सुबह उठो and एक ठंडा फ्रेश नारियल पानी पियो. Cheers.
हो गया भैया.
So just made it to the place. It's called Anahata. It's right on Ashwim Beach. That's the beach right behind me. And just made it. So let's go inside. काफ़ी भूख भी लग रही है and best part is that this place has proper breakfast. मतलब eggs, toast वगैरह सब मिल जाएगा. Let's go. Has the same feeling like Palm Grove.
हाँ यार.
Palm Grove में भी ऐसी एंट्री थी. लेफ्ट राइट में कॉटेजेस थे. ओ वन वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग अबाउट Palm Grove. कल नन्नू मेरे को बता रहा था बिकॉज ही वाज थिंकिंग ऑफ एक्सटेंडिंग हिज ट्रिप. If you want to book a villa at Palm Grove, you can't book it for a day or two. You have to minimum book it for a week. Because
These places are also yoga retreats, so that's why you have to keep your volume down, maintain a little bit of decorum.
and ये चाह रहे हैं कि तुम एक बार अगर आ गए यहाँ पे तो फुल रिजुविनेट होके ही जाओ. ये नहीं कि एक आध दिन रुक गए और निकल गए. So that's what they want. Water looks very calming and very nice. And we just saw Moini Roy here. I can't like go and like put the camera on her. But every day we are spotting a celebrity here in Goa. Because बहुत ही chill scene है. If any one of you are coming to Goa, please spend a day at Palm Grove and spend the other one at Anahata Resort. Both of them are at Ashwim. And the water is very approachable. The water is very calm. And you can go inside very comfortably. So drop down in the comments below which part of Goa do you feel is the best. Okay, so we're done with this place. Maza aa gaya. I think the best day in Goa
Best
so
beach
far.
day. The water was just perfect.
Yeah.
I don't know how the water was not that salty here, and the waves were calm,
And कितना clear था.
very clean.
So we're done with this place. I'll highly recommend it. Great place to spend a day in Goa. This is called Anahata Seaside Resort. Anahata. मैं पहले भी recommend कर चुका हूँ, but hands down, I think इससे अच्छा day हमने गोवा में नहीं spend करा है. And now we're booked up for a spa at 6 o'clock. It's just a minute away from this place. Okay, and we're done with our spa. It was really nice. How was it for you?
Really good.
Good.
Yeah.
ऐसा लग रहा है स्पा करा के हमेशा लगता है कि अभी उठे हैं. अब रात हो रही है. But both of us are feeling so relaxed. Nannu Akki also got a massage done. Now where are we headed?
To Boilermaker.
हाँ, Boilermaker.
I am definitely not dressed for it at all.
अरे dress छोड़. Last time we went to Boilermaker, you remember what happened? They cancelled our reservation because we were half an hour late or something, and it was completely packed.
And because the traffic was so crazy, it was not our fault. The policemen kept diverting us.
वो सियोलिम चर्च वाला वो रोड जो मैंने बताया था पहली दूसरी वीडियोस में, वो पूरी रोड बंद थी. अब वो खुल गई आफ्टर न्यू ईयर्स. So and people have already reached there, so we are not in a rush. We'll go आराम से. Reached in 30 minutes. ज़्यादा traffic नहीं था. And people are already inside, so there's no reason for us to not go inside or be sent back. Let's go. हाँ जी. Thank you. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. अभी मैं अंदर आया, ये लोग चिल्ला रहे थे 5 4 3 2 1. I don't know क्या कर रहे थे.
Because they have a Boilermaker signature in-house beer that you have to chug in 8 seconds.
ये मैं कर
So they
सकता हूँ.
count every time.
I can do this.
Abhi he'll come explain the menu.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. So,
Shivali owns a stable.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
so we got the Boilermaker. Usually a Boilermaker is a short chased with a beer. So as you can see on the first page here, they are paired with some spirits and some super beers on tap here. So you get a shot and a beer. We have a thing like you'll have to chug it in 8 seconds.
Okay, and if I do, then what do I get?
Instant high, right?
Oh.
So that's a Boilermaker.
Okay.
And next we have Smashables. Tasty, easy-going drinks that you can like smash multiples of, easy on your palate.
Okay.
Apertor, which is low ABV drinks, low in alcohol. And the Do or Die, which is 2 rum-based cocktails which take on a daiquiri.
Okay.
Yeah. And the Love Hate Relation, more in a complex experimental forward drinks. Yeah. And the Gig Cam.
So as we proceed, the ABV keeps going higher. Is that so?
Yeah. Only just these 3 are like low ABV drinks.
Okay.
Rest high.
What is this drink called? Apple of my eye. How cute, thank you. And we're back from the Boilermaker. It was a great place. I'll recommend it. Whoever's coming to Goa can check it out. Go there, have a drink or two, try their cocktails. Now it's our last night in Goa. सबके अलग-अलग mood हुए हैं. कोई थका हुआ है, कोई recharged है, कुछ etc etc. Pallavi is after my life to go and do packing with her. But let's see. It's around 10:30 right now, not too late. So either we'll pack tonight or tomorrow early morning. Because कल मेरा फिर से मन हो रहा है just to go to the beach. जो हमने आज किया today was hands down the best day in Goa. Did nothing but chill at the beach. That's how you should do Goa. I think this was our quickest morning of getting ready, packing and everything. Excited for your last day at the beach? I think this is the best way to spend a day in Goa. मैं तब से ये बोल रहा हूँ पता है.
But we have done this.
हाँ, we should have done it more,
This
but
is the third day. और कितना करेंगे 7 दिन?
out of 7, we've gone to the beach thrice. चलो let's quickly go. गाड़ी भी साफ करवानी है उनको देने से पहले. I want it to be clean. We're up and about. There's no sun today. बहुत ही ऐसे cloudy सा weather हुआ है गोवा में. If you can make out, the sun is not out. Clouds
Maybe
हैं
it's
पूरे.
too early also probably. थोड़ा by afternoon should be better.
Maybe yeah. But अच्छा है ना बीच में फिर walk वगैरह कर पाएंगे. इतनी धूप वूप नहीं लगेगी. Morning ritual of Goa, having coconut water Pallavi.
Yes.
So our morning ritual in Goa, we're having coconut water on our way to Ashwim. Thank you.
और ये
हाँ जी.
बहुत पानी है.
देखो मलाई वाला पसंद है पानी वाला? जिस पानी वाला ना. I feel normal पानी वाले में ज़्यादा मीठा होता है पानी. Or not, I don't know. I haven't really tried a malai one. Ah man, what a lovely feeling just to be on the beach. Abhi I just had a nice coffee, got a nice massage done, feeling so relaxed. And ये पूरा Ashwim से लेके Morjim तक it's the same stretch. So I'm telling Pallavi let's go for a walk and we can go till that place जो mountain range है वहाँ पे. Last time when I came वहाँ पे एक Mandavi river that meets the ocean. So that point is really nice. So I really want to take Pallavi there. पता नहीं इतनी दूर चल के जाएगी मेरे साथ या नहीं जाएगी. Let's see. हमारा कर्तव्य है कोशिश करना. कामयाबी नाकामयाबी सब उसके हाथ में है. Best way to end the trip. Yes, baby. What are you doing? Neil. I was telling everybody I really wanted to take you to that place.
उतना नहीं चल किधर.
देखा? मेरे को पता था यही बोलेगी.
यार अबे ना वो गंदा से मॉर्जिन से मैं नहीं जा रही. मैं यहाँ एकदम जा.
That's not at all गंदा.
मैं नहीं जाऊँ.
Baby, it's not at all
बेबी
गंदा.
वो रास्ता मॉर्जिन के थ्रू ही जाएगा ना मोंटेगो पे.
It will cross Sink and all. That's nice.
No, it's not.
तो चल तो.
मैं यहीं तक जाऊँ.
कहाँ तक?
वहाँ तक नहीं जाऊँ.
कहाँ वहाँ? Where is वहाँ?
जहाँ पे वो the sea meets the river.
देखा? मैंने कहा था ना नहीं मानेगी.
वहाँ तक नहीं जाऊंगे
बट एज आई सेड मेरा काम है कर्तव्य, मेरा काम है कोशिश करना, कामयाबी ना कामयाबी सब उसके हाथ, लेकिन जहाँ तक चल सकते हैं वहाँ तक चलते हैं.
So cute.
We just spotted a golden retriever having the time of his life. And we're finally done with the last dip of the day. बहुत मज़ा आ गया. It was so relaxing. Had a nice meal also. And now we're all set to say bye to Goa until we come here next time. So all in all, it was a great trip. Coming with your family is always, nice. You make memories and you bond. So I think I'll end this series here. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. So that's it. See you in the next one.